In today's video, I'm going to teach you exactly how to play with friends in the game Monopoly Go. So let's jump right in and explore this fun feature. Once you're inside Monopoly Go, you're going to want to locate the Friends icon. It's conveniently placed in the bottom right corner of your screen. Let's tap on that icon to get things started. Now, before you dive into playing with your friends, you'll first need to add them to your friend list within the game. Fortunately, Monopoly Go provides 3 easy options for you to do this. The first option is to integrate your contacts. If you allow the game access to your contacts and your friends do the same while playing the game, you'll automatically get connected within Monopoly Go. This is a seamless way to connect with those who are already in your social network. It's a fantastic choice if lots of your friends are already on your contact list and playing the game, but remember to ensure your privacy settings are intact while doing this. The second method is via Facebook. By connecting your Facebook account and allowing the game access, you'll automatically have access to all your Facebook friends who are part of the Monopoly Go community. This is a convenient way to bring your Facebook network into the game, and it makes it easy to stay connected and enjoy playing together. The third option involves sending an invite. When you click on Invite, you'll see an orange invite button. By clicking on this button, you generate a link that you can share through any app you choose or simply copy to your clipboard. Share this link with friends you'd like to join you in the game. Once they click on the link and download Monopoly Go, they'll automatically appear on your friends list. This is particularly handy if you have friends outside of your contacts or Facebook who you want to invite into your circle. Now that you know how to add friends in Monopoly Go, you can start enjoying the game together. While the game's mechanics for actual co-play may be limited, these connections allow you to share experiences, exchange tips, and perhaps even challenge each other as you navigate the virtual board. I really hope this video was helpful for you. If you've enjoyed learning how to expand your Monopoly Go experience with friends, please give it a like. Don't forget to comment below if you have more questions or need further clarification. Also, subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos and tips on your favorite games. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have a great time playing with your friends. Bye for now.